Hey friends, my name is Amy Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel and to the first Halloween themed video of the 2021 spooky season. I'm so happy. If you didn't already know, Halloween is my favorite time of year. I love it. I live for it. This is what my life is about. I want to make some really fun Halloween content for you guys this year because last year kind of passed me by because I had COVID. Yeah, it wasn't fun. So today I thought we could start by doing a little bit of Halloween decorating, and then I'm totally open to suggestions from you guys. So what do you want to see this year? Let me know in the comments down below. But today I'm going to begin the Halloween transformation. It's going to be just decorating my room because I'm not allowed to decorate the rest of the house. We're gonna work with the space we've got. All of the Halloween decorations are in the attic, which means I have to risk life and limb going up there again today. But hey, it'll be worth it. Let's see what we can find. So this whole side of the attic is Halloween decorations. And a mouse trap that I'm hoping doesn't have a mouse in it. Oh my gosh, no. No, this is not the kind of negativity that I need in my life right now. Okay, so we have a bunch of Halloween decorations. We have a really annoying fly and we have a dead mouse. Cool. This is the stuff that dreams are made of. Obviously, I'm not going to bring all of this stuff down today because it's a lot. And at the end of the month, when we have the Halloween party and it's getting closer to Halloween, we will decorate the rest of the house. But for today, I'm just doing my room, so I just need a few bits and pieces. Will you please be quiet? It's so stinking hot up here. I want to get in and out as quickly as possible, and I don't want to be close to that mouse trap in case there is a mouse in it. I'm very concerned. I packed all of this away really nicely last year, but I don't remember what went where, so that's helpful. This looks like spider web and like miscellaneous props. Somewhere there is a box of like the really nice props, like the pretty stuff that we got from TK Maxx. That's lights and candles. That's food stuff like plates. So where's the nice stuff? Note to self: label the boxes this year when I put stuff away. That was actually pretty intense and I almost fell out of the attic. Okay, let me show you what I brought down. When I was up there and I was in the moment and I was carrying all this stuff, it felt like a lot, but now that it's all here, I'm like, really? I spent all that time and this is all I brought with me? But let me show you. So we have this guy who has all of these little twirly things, and then there are all these here, all these little Halloween charms that attach on to these little twirls, and that's really pretty. I have a votive holder. We've got this cute witch's shoe, which I love. Got the little ghost. This guy who is just so fabulous. This snow globe. And then this, I'm actually not sure if I'm gonna have space for all of these. I got this pirate little jar thing too. I really wanted to find this witch statue that I have. She's so beautiful. She's got this green face and she's really tall with this cape. She's so pretty, but couldn't find her anywhere, and it was, oh my gosh you guys, it was so hot up there. Like, I'm sweating. And as I was opening all the boxes and like rummaging around trying to find her, I realized that she was probably underneath the possessed child doll thing that we have, and I hate that thing, and I'm not touching that thing. No way. Not going up in the attic alone and faffing around with that. No, I'm too afraid. So I was like, I can't look anymore. If it's in that box with that creepy possessed doll, I'm not going in there. I do also have a couple new things that I'm going to be putting up too. I bought these little pumpkin candle holders in Wilko. I got 2 of those. And I also got this little jar in the Range. This was $12.99 I think. And it lights up too, which is pretty cool. Or it did. At one point in time it did light up. So I don't have a huge amount of space to play with in this room. I'm going to clear off some of the shelves, my bedside table, the windowsill I can decorate. I'm kind of looking at this wall here where I have the big mandala, and I'm wondering if I could take that down and maybe make print or something that I could put up there so that when I'm filming videos it has a Halloween vibe in the background. And I also really want some Halloween cushions. Can't find any nice ones anywhere. So if you guys have any recommendations of places like around in the UK where they're selling Halloween cushions, let me know. This chair sounds like it's about to collapse. It's not good. Don't mind the mess. I will get to that eventually, but the first thing I want to do is to switch up my little gallery wall that I have and make it more Halloween appropriate. So just like I did with the original prints that I had in those photo frames, I just went to canva.com, I made up some little Halloween prints, I printed them out, I trimmed them to size, and voila! They're cute. They're cute. I have a Boo to You, homage to Disney World. I have this little trick or treat with the bats. I have Beware of Hitchhiking Ghosts, like from the Haunted Mansion. And then this one says Halloween, like as if it's a dictionary definition. And then it's a quote from Hocus Pocus that says, "It just so happens that Halloween is based on the ancient feast called All Hallows Eve. It's the one night a year where the spirits of the dead can return to Earth." I love it! This is such a simple and pretty much completely free way to switch things up for Halloween, because all you need is the paper to print these prints onto and a Canva subscription, and you could even do it on the free version or just sign up for the trial and then cancel again, whatever. But let's put them up. Okay, I am pleased with the way things are looking, and these little pumpkins that I got at Wilko, they add something that I never knew I always needed. I love them. Got out the Halloween candle. This one is from TK Maxx and it is saffron, amber and vanilla. Oh my gosh, it smells like the best time of the year. I did have a bit of a moment just now where I was thinking of taking down the mandala and making like a DIY canvas picture with my Cricut machine, but I just, luckily, before I began the whole project, had the sense to take this down, put this up and see what it looked like on the wall, and it looked stupid. I don't know, I guess it's because this wall is so big, just having like a much smaller canvas on the wall, it just looked stupid. It looked like an afterthought and I don't want it to look like that, so I guess this is done. That didn't take very long at all, but I love it. I love the way it looks. And oh, my tripod's not out right now, but if you were here where you usually are when I film my videos, yeah, you can see the Halloween vibe. I would like to get something to hang there though, but that's not gonna happen today. I might try and order like a tapestry or something. No, low by you, Amy. You are not ordering any more Halloween decorations. But yeah, that didn't take nearly as long as I thought it was going to. Definitely rummaging around in the attic and trying not to fall out of it was probably the longest part of that. Let me know what kind of Halloween content you want to see in the upcoming weeks. I'm about to light that delicious candle and make myself a hot chocolate. But thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that I love you all so much. You are enough just as you are. Yay, Halloween! I'll see you guys soon. Bye!